How to turn off Shared with You on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Messages as shown. You are now in the Messages settings page. On this page, scroll down to find and tap on Shared with You. This feature allows content shared in Messages to automatically appear in selected apps. To turn it off, simply tap on the toggle switch next to Automatic Sharing as shown. This will turn off the feature for all the apps listed below. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Shared with You on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.